Hey everyone, welcome back to NGF channel. As you can see, screen is cracked, unresponsive, and showing display issues. Use pentalobe screwdriver, remove the two screws located on either side of the charging port. Insert a plastic pry tool into the gap, and carefully work your way around the edges to separate the screen from the frame. Once the edges are free, open the screen from the left side like a book. Do not fully remove it yet. The display is still connected by cables. Remove the screws holding the metal connector shield in place. Carefully lift and remove the shield. Disconnect the battery connector and display cables. Remove the shield and disconnect earpiece speaker flex. Remove the damaged screen from the phone. Transfer earpiece speaker and front sensor assembly from the old screen to the new one. Connect the new display cables. Reconnect the battery temporarily. Power on the device to test the screen before sealing it. Everything looks good, power it back off. Reconnect all cables and reinstall the connector shield. Carefully press the screen back into place, making sure it clips in evenly around the edges. Reinsert the 2 bottom screws. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.